Hi there. My name is Jerry Seavey, a master NLP coach, practitioner, certification trainer, and also co-founder of MindBridge Trainings. Thank you for taking a moment to learn about the time-shifting workshop. Isn't it interesting how your experience of time can vary so dramatically? Sometimes an hour may feel like it's dragging on endlessly, and other times it goes by in a flash. And even if you have learned time management skills, do you know how to stretch time or to shrink time? In the time shifting workshop, you'll explore vital NLP techniques, discovering your subjective structure of time and how to use it. I'm looking forward to spending some quality time with you at the ANLP conference because it'll be here sooner than you think.